What's poppin' YouTube? It's your girl Everything Alex, and I'm back at it again with another YouTube video. If you're new to this channel, what it is, hey, what's up, got your nigga in the hook, I am what it is. What's poppin'? I'm happy to have you here. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey boy, hey girl, I missed you. Okay, so my tongue is red, since y'all all up in my business. My tongue is red because I was just drinking a slushie, so, and my lips red. My lips a little red too. Anyways, I was drinking a slushie, so that's that on that. He need to hush because the disrespect, I'm not here for it. So today's video is going to be another makeup video, but you know, we're not going to be actually doing our makeup. We're going to be giving makeup tips, and this makeup tip video is going to be mainly focused on makeup palettes for beginners. So I'm here to help you help yourself. That's what I'm here for. So before we do get into this video, please make sure you do like, comment, and subscribe. You know, all of that, hey, all of that, hey, all of that, hey, all of that. And make sure you do keep supporting the culture all 2020. Gang, gang, gang. Hit it for me, can't stop. Hey, I won't stop. Hey, I do. Hey, hit it, done. Hey, hit it, done. Hey, hit it one more time. Done. Yes, make sure you do like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you do keep supporting the culture all 2020. And make sure you do turn on those post notifications so that you can beat me here, not meet me here, okay? Period. So without further ado, we're just gonna get right into this video. Okay, so like I said, I don't know if y'all see my other child strap, stay on, but I don't know if y'all have or have not seen my other makeup tips and tricks for beginners video, and that one was more like a overview type of thing. And so now somebody, it was like one person, I ain't gonna hold you because you know, but one person is enough for me as long as I can help somebody. Commented, it was just basically like, oh well, talk about palettes, that will help. So I'm here to help. So ooh, my stomach just sound like a cat slash a cow. Cow. But yeah, so I'm here just to kind of give y'all like makeup palettes that are for beginners that I feel like you should purchase if you're a beginner doing makeup. And you know, yeah, so without further ado, like I said, we're just gonna get right into this video. So all right, so I'm gonna have to start off with, of course, I only wanted to do the palettes that I purchased with my money because it don't make no, like, you know, I think it's kind of silly. Why would I say a palette that I ain't buy with my money? Like, I have a lot of palettes, and a large majority, well, most of them, 75% of them came from BoxyCharm, and they're good. But like I said, I want to give y'all like palettes that I purchased because clearly they must really mean something if I purchased them. So yeah, so the first palette, of course, is my baby. My baby, she been sticking through the mud with me, so of course I gotta do her first. Like, it wouldn't even be right if I didn't do her, like, you feel me? So yeah, my first palette that I literally always use, well, I'm gonna be honest, I used to always use her until, you know, I had to step my pen up, but even to this day I'll pick her up. Is my Morphe 35B palette. Okay, so if you're a beginner in makeup and you don't know about this palette, then you was silly, and you don't want to be silly, okay? Child, one of the colors fell out. Child, I be so rough with makeup that everything be falling out. And yeah, so this is the Morphe 35B palette. Ooh, focus. All right, it is a very colorful palette, as you can tell. This yellow right here, as you can see, I reached pan because this yellow is like very, very good. All of these colors, I'm gonna be honest with you, is very pigmented. I didn't really reach pan on nothing else because I don't know, I try not like I really just started getting into like doing really bold makeup looks, you know. At first I really wasn't doing all that, but yeah, this is a definite must-have, especially like for the colors that it has. And then I love the palettes that be having like the shades, but the like the different tones of the shade. So for example, it got a green, a dark green, but it got a light one and lighter. That makes it easier when you're trying to like blend out your makeup, you feel me? So this one is definitely recommended. And of course it has a black one in there. You definitely need, I don't feel like you need black, but black and white come in handy for when you do need them. But yeah, definitely if I don't want this palette for nothing else, I'm gonna use that yellow in this palette, okay? But this is definitely a must-have. I forgot how much this costs, but I'll probably look up the price for y'all and I'll put the price on here just so y'all can like, you know, see. But it's Morphe and Morphe is cheap, so yeah. Next palette. So now the rest of them, okay. I think now I should do like my next favorite palette. And then the rest of them will be in like no particular order. My next favorite palette is, I recently just purchased this, but this is the one that I always use in every look. And I be trying to like not use her so much, but baby is versatile. Baby is versatile. Baby is very versatile. I'm gonna show y'all like looks that I've created with this palette. Yeah, I like palettes that I can just create one look. Like I don't be liking to dig in 10 different palettes just to get one look. I want to be able to create one look with one palette. You feel me? Very versatile. And that is she. This is the crayon case, the matte book palette. And once again, it's another colorful palette. I love colorful looks. I'm a colorful girl, okay? So you see the range, yeah. This little, this pink right here, I love this pink. Oh, y'all can't see it, but that pink right there, I love that pink so much. Like sis be blending out with everything. Like I just really love that shade of pink, and I haven't even really seen that shade of pink anywhere that really shows up like soft. But yeah, I even sometimes use this palette to contour. But yeah, like I said, I love the palettes where the colors kind of like going like a gradient effect type-esque thingy. And this one wasn't that expensive. It was more expensive than Morphe, but you get a lot of bang for your buck, boo. Like once I show y'all all the looks I created with this palette, y'all gonna be like, I need that palette too. And I'm still trying to become a crayon cutie, so that's just that on that. Put that in the air. You heard me. All right, so like I said, the rest of these palettes aren't in no particular order. Those are really my two like holy grails. You could leave me on a desert island with them two palettes and I'll come out slaying every single time. So another palette that I really like, and just another, this one is like more of a company palette, so it's not like a specific palette, but this is the one I'm bringing out for y'all, is the Nubian 2 palette by Juvia's Place. And I love Juvia's Place palettes. They're always so cute. They have a lot of different shade ranges when it comes to their palettes. This orange right there, to die for. That's all I do is break my makeup. Like all my makeup be like shattered. Like this one right here, sis broke. She look like she about to break some old child. And then yeah, so this orange right here, I really love that orange. And then this brown, I really love that brown. Oh, about to drop it again. Kenya and Morocco, real cute, okay? And then like with like those bright shades, I could kind of switch them out for highlighters. That bright one right there, that's Zuri. Yes. And so yeah, like I said, this is more of a, you can use all, I have a lot of their palettes. I just ain't want to bring every single one of their palettes, so I just brought one. But yeah, if you're getting into makeup, the Juvia's Place has some really nice palettes. Okay. Oh, so I brought two, because this one I really love, this Juvia's Place palette. So this is the Warrior by Juvia's Place. I just really love the browns in here. I really love the browns. This is like, you know, this is like a one-tone type of palette, but you could do so much with it. And then also I love all those shimmery shades because you can turn them into highlighters. And they pop, baby. When I tell you they pop, they pop. Showstopper, showstopper. Yeah, that's what you're gonna do. You're gonna stop the show if you use them shades as highlighters. I promise you. Okay, next is, okay, I'm gonna be real with you. I'm only putting this one because I know a lot of people use it, and that's why I got it. But I've never used this palette. I'm so mad I wasted my money. But this is the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. It's kind of, well, it is actually just like the Morphe palette. But I don't really like the reason why I feel like I didn't use this is because most of the shades are like very, very shimmery. They're very, very shimmery-esque. And I don't like that. Like, they have like dust particles in there, and I don't like that. But like I said, it's cheap. So once again, I'll be dropping like the prices, and I mean, I hope I do. I don't want to lie to y'all, but I'm gonna try to put the prices on here. If you get them, you get them. If you don't, look it up yourself. That's just that on Reddit. But yeah, so really love that palette. Oh, I lied to y'all. I don't really love that palette, but I got the palette because I thought it was a good idea, because I've seen a lot of people using it. Because once again, it's very versatile, but I don't use it. I don't use it. Wasting my money. I used it like twice. And then the last palette will be yet again another Morphe palette. This is the Morphe 3502 palette, and this is more of like I don't know how to explain the look. Can y'all see my face? Cause I could see y'all like through the line, but I play too much. But yes, this palette, I love the like, I don't know. It just gives me really like sultry vibes. That's what this palette gives me. So like, you can have one palette that's real colorful, bam, we out there, and then another palette that's like, okay, I'm here, but I'm in a cut. Like, you feel me? Like, I'm here, but I got this slit in my dress. You feel me? Like that. Like, this is what this palette gives me, this Morphe 3502 palette. So yeah, those are basically like all the palettes that I really like make sure I use. I use other palettes, but like not as often as I use those. And like I said, this is like beginner friendly. If you're starting out, I really highly recommend getting that Morphe 3502 palette and getting that crown case, the matte book palette, because it will be worth every cent. Or you can also get the Morphe 3502 palette if you're not really into like being that bold. Okay, if you want to be plain Jane, get the Morphe 3502 palette. But if you want to you know, put one leg out, then turn with it, you need to get those colorful palettes. Okay, but yeah, y'all let me know in the description box below. Not in the description box, that's my job, but y'all let me know in the comment section below, like, you know, if y'all got any more makeup tips that y'all want me to talk about, or like I can go over foundations. Ooh, that'll be a good one. Like what foundations I feel like are really good. Whatever y'all want, I can give it to you. But yeah, make sure you guys do like, comment, and subscribe. You already know. Make sure you guys do keep supporting the culture all 2020. Gang. And like I said, make sure you do hit that notification bell so you can be notified every single time I post a video. You don't want to miss out. Okay. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.